If you like the video, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't. Gear Hobbing Machine LC380 by Liebherr. Liebherr offers a wide selection of high-quality gear cutting machines and have been manufacturing highly productive gear hobbing machines for decades. The large selection of machine types fulfills specific customer requirements, from the automotive industry to wind turbine manufacturers. Whether compact or oversized, these gear hobbing machines impress thanks to their flexibility. This means that workpieces from 60 mm up to oversized gear wheels with a diameter of 16 meters can be machined. Ever wondered how PVC window and door casements are made? This is the ideal 4000 extrusion process. ideal 4000 PVC-U casement window and door system from Aluplast comes from leading-edge German design, and it is the product of global leading innovation in PVC-U systems technology. This is the Bender SP500 micromesh machine. Expanded mesh is a semi-finished product with openings in the surface, which are usually staggered cuts without loss of material in strips or sheets with simultaneous, stretching deformation. The material between these openings is lattice-like, so it is neither braided nor welded. The expanded metal mesh can be cut to any size without losing its firm inner cohesion or dissolving. With a maximum press power of 2 tons and working speed of up to 1200 strokes per minute, these machines produce the perfect alternative to perforated sheets. RZ0 Egg Breaker by OVO Tech. The egg breaker imitates the work of human hands with the use of special pneumatic holders. It breaks the eggs using a special knife. Next, the eggs, after going through a quality control tray, go through a separator, where egg whites are separated from yolks. This most hygienic egg breaking method is an innovation by OVO Tech. The RZ0 Egg Breaker has 2 operating modes, precise and regular, and functions for cleaning the pneumatic system. The machine automatically collects eggs from the feeder tray. Now here is an egg joke for you. Why did the chicken take so long to cross the road? Because there was no eggs press lane.